When your Nikon Z5 refuses to shoot, it's incredibly frustrating. But don't panic, most issues are surprisingly fixable. First, let's perform a crucial step: the simple power cycle. Turn your Z5 completely off using the power switch, then remove the battery. Wait for about 30 seconds. This allows the camera's internal systems to fully reset, clearing any temporary software glitches that might be causing the shooting malfunction. Now, reinsert the battery firmly and turn the camera back on. Try to take a shot. If it's still not working, the issue could be with your lens. Eject the lens carefully by pressing the lens release button and twisting it counterclockwise, then reattach it, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Misaligned or improperly seated lens is a common culprit. If you have another compatible Nikon Z lens, try attaching it to see if the problem persists. Next, let's check for software issues. Navigate to your camera's menu, find the Setup menu, and look for the firmware version. Visit the official Nikon support website on a computer. Check if there's a newer firmware update available for your Z5, and follow their instructions precisely to update it. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to operational problems. A corrupted or incompatible memory card can also prevent shooting. Try removing the memory card and attempting to take a picture without it if the camera shoots. The problem lies with your card. Consider reformatting the card and camera, or try a different, reputable brand of SD card. Finally, ensure your lens isn't obstructing the sensor area. Visually inspect the internal sensor and lens connection points for any debris or damage. If everything appears clean and properly aligned, and the issue continues, your Z5 may require professional attention.